So I went to remove the O2 sensor from the '09 Torota Prius, and lo and behold, it was too tight and stripped. So is the hole in the bung also stripped. So here's the solution. Leslie's O2 sensor thread chaser. Some suggestion is to heat up the bung before trying to use this to chase the hole. My whole attempt was to get the spacer in there because of the P0420 error, but we're going to try this without heating it up. Placing this perpendicular to the hole, and we're going to try to get it started. And it looks like it is starting. I don't think I got this perpendicular enough, but it started. Hopefully it's not too damaged. Gonna walk it back and forth. Any misalignment that might happen in there, I think I'm going to try and resolve with Permatex Loctite. So this is the O2 sensor spacer that I'm trying to use. Here's the part number. Sorry, I think I have my camera lens hazed there. Hopefully, yep, you can see that part number there. There we go. So now, in attempting to put this into the wrong, the stripped bung hole, that too has been stripped. So I'm going to have to change this out and use a different one. So I have run the thread chaser in there, and let's hope that this new one would work. What I'm going to do is put a little bit of Loctite on this, since the bung has been borched pretty badly. So I'm going to put this on here. One-handed and laying down. You gotta love it. Okay. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Seems to be threading. Seems to be threading. Okay, coming to just right about where I want it. Facing the side without too much stress on getting that against the cat. And we're gonna lock that on there. And there. So we will tighten this guy. We can put the O2 sensor on here. I think we can tighten this a little bit more. Let's see what the O2 sensor will look like on there. Here's the new O2 sensor. Oh no, that's the old one. Here's the new O2 sensor. Let's remove that from this bung.